this is Andrea here.
And the other, and the other Andrea. Hello.
We've been sick, y'all. It's been so bad. I'm so sorry this is so late.
Yeah.
But we really have been sick, and it's been pretty bad.
Yeah, we have.
So we are working on Monday the 3rd through Sunday the 9th.
June.
June. Welcome to June, everybody.
Happy summer.
I know. Happy summer. It's already in the 90s here almost every day.
And it's terrible.
It's pretty hot.
Every day.
Every day. So this is the kit we're using. I'm gonna let Drea talk you through it.
This is the Freedom Kit that features Bibbles. It's it's for 4th of July. She's barbecuing, watching the fireworks, holding some balloons, and holding the American flag in front of some fireworks.
Well, I love that.
Thank you. That's the second sheet. It's got icons.
Half box.
I think this. No, those
Quarter
are
boxes. Yeah.
Quarter boxes, and then your headers. And then the third sheet has your checklists, your page flags, and your script icons and date dots.
What you know I love. I love them all. They all come in handy for me. And I love this kit because, of course, it's so festive.
Mm-hmm.
So let's start with the 3rd. The 3rd of June. Wow, June. I can't believe how quick it's already come.
Yeah. Oh dear.
That's alright. The dogs say hello, y'all. So does Grandma.
No.
Grandma says hello. I'm putting these full boxes on first because I like to see the decorative pieces, and then I'll put some writing space on afterwards. Yeah.
Oh gosh.
Random barks. That's.
It's fucky.
Yeah. Oh! I love that. Okay. Perfect. This is a payday. Today's payday.
Woohoo.
Yeah. And then I want to put. Do I want to put these? Yeah, we got half boxes here.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm going to go with the half boxes on these.
Cute.
Very cute. See, that's why I like to do things in pencil. You just erase it. Yeah. Okay. Y'all are going through the movies on Tuesday?
No, that was a couple weeks ago.
What's that?
Yep.
Did I write it on the wrong day?
Yep.
I was all like, what?
We saw Endgame.
Endgame, that's right.
Oh, it's a good movie.
If you haven't seen it yet, you got to check it out. They say it's good.
It's really good, especially if you're a Marvel fan.
If you like marbles.
Marvel.
No, just kidding. Just joking. Day. And then our little quarter box. Never really have that much to do on Tuesdays,
No.
but there you have it. Go ahead and put a light blue half box on this one. And then we'll put red inside of the Saturday and Sunday.
Just to get all the colors in.
I think she's Russian.
Oh, it's possible. There. Yay. It's not going to be a busy week this week, guys. So that kind of sucks. Or maybe it doesn't. Maybe we're supposed to have this week off
That'd be nice.
to relax. Right?
Yeah, as much as we can.
Because the next few weeks will be hectic. You never know if that's the case or not.
Yeah. Cute.
I love it.
Thank you.
Very festive.
Yeah. Without being too overbearing.
That's, you know, exactly. You didn't overdo it at all.
Thank you.
Okay. Now, let me get my tweezers for my numbers. And random barks. Excuse me, y'all.
Yeah, we're still sick.
Yeah, pretty bad cold. So what are we working on for the following week? We got July out of the way.
Next week is Witchy Ways.
Witchy Ways.
Yes.
Is that a song?
Oh, I don't know.
Oh. You got your witchy ways.
Oh, goodness. She's singing.
I don't know if that's a song or not.
Well, now it is.
Yeah. It's a made up song. All songs are made up though. Yeah.
Okay.
Alright. I got all my numbers in, all my dates and days. Got my full boxes in use. Now, today is Monday, which is the 3rd. Thursday we have trash. So let's get out our little book and put down Thursday for trash. We got this appointment in. Who does the dishes? Who does the dishes? Alright, what do we got? So I do the dishes tomorrow. I got a new planner in. I'm going to show it to you.
She's excited.
I've been playing around with it. But it's the Wrong, Brave, and Beautiful planner. And I love it. I switched the black rings out and put in these rose gold rings. And these are classic size. The mini planner size I took off. And then I got a couple of things I ordered to put in here. Like a budget thing. And this is the budget planner. I did get started because you know I couldn't wait. So this is last week. And then this one Drea printed out for me is for this week. So yay. I love it already.
Cute.
I did get a sticker book. I just haven't used it yet. Alright. Shopping. That's going to be on Sunday. I've already started the grocery list. Got to do my Facebook. I'm going to put her here. This is Facebook Dana.
Yes.
And then here. Oh man, there's a dishwasher too, huh?
Dishes spray.
Ah. It looks like that's it. We do have a package coming from Amazon.
And I have a package today too.
Oh, I'm going to put one of these there.
Yeah,
There.
because it represents all the happy man.
Yeah. I think that's it that I want to put in there. Yep. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. If you did, please give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And here is your finished project. Have a great one. Bye.
Bye.